Hello everyone, welcome to Edupedia World Videos. We are learning PowerPoint advanced tips and tricks, and my name is Neetu Verma. In this session, we'll discuss about the whiteboard animation techniques. We'll discuss about these techniques, that what it is and how you can show your text in a very effective way. Let me show you certain examples first of all. I have created a few slides where I have tried to show that how you can represent your text in a whiteboard kind of technique. I'll play the slideshow first. You can have a look on the examples. This is one of the objects that I have created here. Now, if I'm going to press enter here, let me play that once again. Now you can see that the objects, these are getting drawn one by one, and we are getting a fact that the text is written by its own. This is the technique that we are going to learn in this session today. We are representing a fact that there are multiple uses of creating a PowerPoint presentation, or what all we can do with the PowerPoint. In this way, you can represent all your points. We have one figure in between, and after that we are trying to give all the reasons or all the benefits of that. The other alternative would be this is the another slide where we have an object. Now the other object is here. We are going to write the points on this board. In this way, you can type the topic here where we have written headings, and after that you can show the subheading, and you can explain that in the presentation. So in this video, we learn that how do we create these points. Let's talk about this slide first of all, that how we have created it. I have certain slides that I have created in between while creating the final touch for this slide. Let me explain you first about this. I'll create a new slide here, a blank slide. Okay, so what I have to do is, first thing is that I need this a human figure, and second is that I need a blackboard. Let me try to create it once again for you. What I'll do is I'll insert the objects. I need to click on the insert on the top, and after that, with the help of these shapes, I'll create this object. First of all, I need to insert a circle. So let's look for the one. Now I want to remove the colors. Let's take a blank one. Now I want to insert a line. And resize that according to the requirement. Then again I need to insert two lines for the creating the legs. I'll copy this line and I'll paste that once again. We need two legs here. And now what I'll do is I'll click in the format tab, and here I have an option to rotate. So I'll select this option, flip vertically. Okay. So now you can see that the second object that we have copied, the line that has flipped. Alright. Now I need to create two lines here. So basically you have to create an image with the help of these shapes. You can create it very easily and quickly once you become used to it. I'll copy this and paste it once again here. In this way we have created the legs as well, the foot, and now let's create the hands the same way. We are actually trying to give a side look, so there's no need that you need to draw two hands. We have created the image. Now you can select all parts of this image. Let me remove the title first. Alright. I have selected the entire image now, and now you can give a little bit effects like the color or the outline that you want to give. Now I have selected the shape outline, and here I want to change the thickness of all these lines. Let me try using this. Okay. Shape effect is not required at the moment. Later on we can think about it. And color also, I want to make it black for the entire image. This is the image that we have created, but this is a set of the different objects. Now what I want to do is select all these objects together, copy this, and now paste this as a picture. Now this is a single object that you have got, and this is a set of multiple objects. This is the image I want. Once I get this image, after that I can delete these objects. The second object that I want to create is that is a blackboard shape. I want to insert a rectangle here. Okay. And again I want to make it blank. I mean there's color which is required inside the box. This is a blank rectangle. We have what, click on the insert. Then again I need to insert a shape here. It's a line supporting the blackboard, or you can find some other way also to represent the blackboard. Now I have got one here. You can again copy and paste this line, and now you need to flip that. Click on rotate, flip vertical. And place these objects on the appropriate location. Alright. Now select the combination of these objects also. The entire picture we have selected, and let's select the outline option. In shape outline itself we need to change the color. Okay. Again we have got these two options, the image, this image that we have created, the human image, and the black. Now I'll do one thing. I'll create a copy of this slide Fine. So I'll remove this object from here. So we have left with this image, and let's create an image for this blackboard as well. We need to copy this and now paste it as a picture. So we have got two images here. Now we want to give a 3D look to this picture. Select both of them together, and then in the picture tools, click on the format tab. You get a lot of options here. For giving the effect, we can select this 3D option, 3D rotation, and then select this option of axis to left. Or you can browse some other options here that give you the better 3D looks. More or less which option you want to go for. Let's try to select this option. Alright. You can make this figure a bit closer here. Now we want to type something here, the heading and the stuff. So I'll click on insert and I'll click on text box. Write here headings or whatever text that you want to display here. I'm currently writing here at as point 1, point 2. You can change it to your own descriptions later. And whatever description you want to give. Now what I want is, I want to fill the text also, just as per the blackboard we have here. So let's try to do it. Select the text direction, we can't find that. We need to find out some option where we can do it quickly. The other alternative would be that as we have this rectangular box here, you can select this and you can rotate a bit and try to align it as per the board we have. Now there are two options. One is that when we have created this slide, let me create one more copy for this and then I'll explain. Okay, so we can do two things here. One is that before giving the 3D effect, then we can type all the headings and everything here, and after that we can apply the 3D effect. So what's going to happen is that it will take the shape on its own, the text which is written here. But we cannot apply the animation in that case because we are applying that on the picture. Means the points that we have written here, that will become a part of the picture. On this point, where we have created this image and we have created this rectangle, in this point itself, we could have created a text box also, just like this. And now I can type my headings, my points, and subpoints here in this way. And if I copy this image now, if I copy this blackboard as a picture, and then paste it as a picture, then I can find all the points written here. And if I am trying to give a 3D look here, the picture effect, and let me try to give you a 3D effect. Here it is. So now I can see the text is also aligned with the picture itself. It means the direction, the rotation, everything. But I cannot alter the points because that has become a part of the picture now. It's not no more a text. That's why when you don't want to apply the animation, you just want to give it a pictorial view, then you can type the text before giving it a 3D effect. But this is not required at the moment because we are looking for the text that we can write when we're doing it. So the alternative would be that with the help of this thing, you can try to tilt your text a little bit and try to align it with black. These are some small points that you can apply, and after that we want to give an animation to the object. Now we have two objects here, one is this image and second is the blackboard image, and then we want to apply the animation on the headings. What I can do is I'll select this first of all, the first image, human image, then I'll click on animation. I can make it appear also, fade, fly in. It depends on that what effect you want to give. Let's try to give it a split vibe. Vibe also we can. This is also a nice effect. Let's try with the vibe option. And under the effect option, I'll select from left to right. For this blackboard also, I'm using vibe option again, and then again, let's select it right to left. Then let me select the animation pane so that you can see that how the animations are happening in a sequence. Now third one is we want to give the animation to this text. Select the text together, select appear option, and now in the effect, click on the drop down here and select effect options. Now animate the text by letter, and this option we want to reduce to 0.1 second. Okay, alright. Now uh, alright. So the problem is that once we play this animation, third one, all the points are like we can see that all of them are appearing together, but we want a delay in that. So I'll select this option again. Currently you can see that I have selected the entire text here, whatever is written on the blackboard, the heading point 1 point. So the entire text is selected here. I'll click on the drop down, and then I have an option to start after the previous. What it's going to do is, once I'm going to play this animation, you can see the text how it is going to be. Yeah, headings point 1 point. You can change the timing also. You can increase or decrease that. Click on effect options. Instead of 0.1, if I make it 0.2 seconds, then it's going to type it a little bit at a slower rate. Alright, so as per your convenience, like how fast you want to display your points, you can make the changes. That what is the delay you require for how much time, 0.1 second or 0.2 second or any value in between them. And it depends on the number of points you have. Further, you can make other changes also in this while displaying the text. Like after point 1, you want some delay and you want the point 2 to be displayed with a click. Means when you want, then the point would be written. Then in that case, you can select this option and then you can select option start on click. Once you are going to press the key, after that only it is going to play the option. Similarly, the later points also, so all of them Point 3 also you can do that. Start on click. This one start on click. If I play the animation now, I guess once I'm going to play the slideshow. This is the first image, the second image, headings point 1, there's point 2 here. If I'm going to press enter, it's going to write point 2, then there is a wait. Now it depends on me that when I press the key the next time, then only the point 3 will be displayed like this. In this way, you can animate the text. You can see the previous video for animating the text, that how we can delay, how we can make them faster, like what are the techniques that we can apply on the text. I'm just summarizing it because we have already discussed it in the previous videos. So now after applying all these effects, the animation or the whiteboard animation technique for the video that is ready. This is a kind of slide that you can create. You can create multiple black and white slides where you can represent your text in the different formats. This is one of the format that we have tried to create, that we have a blackboard and then we have an image which is explaining all the points, and further you can apply other effects also. For example, I'll create one more copy here itself. Okay, so what I'm trying to tell you is that I'll select this image now, I'll click on format, and after that I have the option for providing certain effect to the picture, the artistic effect that we are providing. We can make it as a pencil sketch or a line drawing. That effect we can give here. You have the artistic effect options, not many. Here I'll choose line drawing. Okay. I'll select this line drawing option, and the same is for the blackboard as well. I'll select the line drawing option here as well. For the text that I have written here, I'll select the entire text and I'll try to apply some other font here. That would be like, let's try to select this Bradley and ITC. So it would give you a feeling that you have written the text with your hands, or some other font you can try to find out which give you a much better or good look, because we are trying to give it the shape of a manually created handwriting. This also you can select. Just to give you a feel of like you have created the drawing with your own hand. Now click on the slideshow. Let's see how it looks like now. This is your image. This is the blackboard, and we have it in this. So this is one additional what you can say, this is an additional property of the drawing that we have created, that we can give a different effect also, because both of these objects are pictures now. So whatever option you can apply on the picture, you can apply here as well. You can create the pencil sketch drawing, or you can create the other options that is available here. Marker effect, or you can browse for the option. You can look. This is a blurred image. This also you can try to create for the object and for your blackboard as well. So that's it. We have discussed about the whiteboard technique. I do have one more image, and I want to give you the idea for this image as well, that how this is created. The way for creating this object is similar, that you can insert these circles, and after that with the help of this shapes option, insert and then shapes, you can find out multiple options here for drawing the hands and for drawing the foot. I have selected this option, arc, or you can browse for the other options also, like for drawing the foot you can use this option as well. So you can create an object which that would look like a human figure, and after that the combination that you have got, you can paste that combination as a picture, as we have done in this case. This is the object. We have a set of objects you can see, and this is an entire picture. So you can save this as a picture also. Further, you can do one more thing. If you don't want to paste it as a picture, there's no need. You can keep that as a separate object itself. Means the circle and then the arc, and then you can apply the animation on the object. Like the circle would be drawn first, and after that the arc would be drawn. Then this means it will give you a fact that the entire object is getting drawn. And once the object is complete, after that you can start using the other things. Now the object is ready. We want to display the points. This is the object we have, the second object we have inserted here. For doing that, you can click on insert, and then again in the shapes, you can find out the callout options here. These are the callout options. This is the one that I have used. Alternatively, you can use the cloud also, or some other options as well. Let's try to use a cloud callout. Okay. So now you can stretch this. I'll again make that blank. I don't want the colors here. So this is how, this is a pointer. Now you can point this towards your shape like this. Now when you are going to insert this cloud here on the top, suppose we insert it here, then I'll change the pointer from this side to this side, point it towards the object, the person, figure, that we have created. Everything, whatever callout that we are going to create, will point that in the middle. Okay, so now we have created this, and you can enter your text in the similar way, and you can provide the same animation technique here also. You need to click on the animation for the text and then select appear, and for the appear again you have to select the option that appear letter by letter instead of the entire point again. So in this way you can apply all these clouds here, and there was one more trick here that was used. I have tried to show that as the image, the picture, the callout, that is also tried to that is getting drawn on its own. For example, this is the image. Now the first callout I want to show you, yeah, this way. This I was talking about, that it was getting drawn on its own. So what I'll do is, for displaying this effect, I'll select this cloud, and after that I'll apply this option here, wheel. This is the animation. In the wheel also you can select the options like how do you want to display it, 2-way, 3-way, or 4-way. It will give a effect as the object is getting drawn on its own. So in the similar way you can create and you can develop multiple clouds here which is surrounding that object, and after that you can point everyone in the middle as we have done with these clouds. All the points, like everything is pointed towards this image, that what that person is trying to say or trying to convey about the idea. So in the similar way you can create these clouds of any shape, and after that you can write the text inside and you can animate the text also. So this is one of the way by which you can provide the whiteboard animation technique to your video. So we have tried to learn two tricks here. One is this one, and the other one is the where a person is writing on the board. I guess these both techniques would try to help you to create more figures, and you can like apply your own ideas that how to create the unique images and how to display the points. And with the help of these animation techniques and this idea, you can develop your own ideas. So that was it for this session. I hope you have enjoyed and you have learned about whiteboard animation techniques. Thanks everyone. Thank you for watching Edupedia World videos.